Hello, my name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. And I will be your guide on this journey, which will allow you to amplify your attracting power and align yourself with the loving energy of the universe so that you can manifest the changes you desire. I invite you to make yourself comfortable now while sitting or lying down in a comfortable, quiet space, and make sure that you will not be disturbed or distracted. The ability to manifest lies within every one of us. All it takes is learning simple techniques in mindfulness through things like meditation to awaken this power. Contrary to popular belief, meditation is not about completely clearing your mind. We have a mind for a reason. Meditation is training your mind to perform exactly how you intend it to, instead of allowing the mind to drag you around. The most helpful thing that all of us have access to at any time is our breath. Our breath has been there since the moment we were born, and every day it is keeping us alive. So by honoring our breath, when we are ready to set intentions, creates a very powerful experience. Begin by setting the intention to manifest the changes you desire. Say to yourself now, I manifest the changes that I desire. Let's honor the breath now by taking 5 significant and dedicated breaths. Fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. Inhale, filling the entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Hold it and exhale, noticing again that wave of relaxation gently sweeping over you. Inhale so deeply that you are brimming with air. Take a moment at the top to soaking in the life force energy we call oxygen. And exhale, noticing your body releasing in many areas without any effort from you. Fully inhale the life force, feeling these breaths purifying your entire body. Hold, exhaling now, not trying to do anything at all, simply notice how you are feeling. A last breath in now, full and beautiful breath coming in. Hold it, feeling the goodness of this simple task, and exhale, allowing that wave of relaxation to again sweep over you. Just take a note of how you're feeling in this very moment. You now have an abundance of oxygen. This is how we were truly created to feel. Breathing deeply and fully is an expression of self-compassion. It unites us with universal love. Let your breath be natural now, and notice how abundance feels. This is your new tool that you can use when you are ready to manifest the reality you desire. When you are feeling any kind of lack of motivation or negative inner talk, you immediately pause and take 5 deep, purposeful and powerful breaths. These breaths always allow for you to relax. Taking these conscious and dedicated breaths gives you clarity and amplifies your health. So the next time you catch yourself at a standstill, simply take these 5 healing breaths. In this beautiful state of relaxation you're experiencing here right now, you begin to feel so grateful for all the things in your life. Your breath, your body, your relationships, your community, your family, your friends, your home, your food and water, moments of love, moments of laughter, self-expression, well-being, feeling deeply thankful for all the abundance you have in your life, that which you have created along your journey and that which the universe has created for you. You are in gratitude for just being in this moment and for the feeling of inner peace you are experiencing here right now. Feel the appreciation for all the abundance you have manifested in your life up to this point, and notice how this feeling is experienced through your heart. Feel the heart opening and expanding. Manifesting is easy once you allow yourself to receive. All you need are 3 things: desire, dedication, and trust. Desire is the first step to manifestation. You must know what you want and desire it so greatly that you clearly see any path that you need to take to get there. Knowing exactly what you are manifesting is very important. The more details you can add to your desire, the better. Take a moment to think about and imagine your dreams and aspirations and see as many details as possible. Dedication is the second step in manifestation. Only you can put in the effort to take steps towards your desires. Sitting in the space of peace and gratitude, think about what first steps you need to take to manifest your dreams. It may be as simple as writing them down or articulating them, or asking for support and guidance from someone. Whatever it is for you, vow to commit to taking action. Commit to a practice of visualization and gratitude from this day forward, along with action to allow for all the abundance you desire to come to you. Visualizing is an extremely powerful way to manifest. Visualize with great detail yourself with your dreams and intentions fulfilled. Notice what you look like and who you are talking to. The more details you can add, the better. See the surroundings, such as where you are, places you go, and who is around. Take several moments to vividly see yourself having manifested all that you wish. Feel deep appreciation for all these manifested dreams right here, right now. Open your heart and feel into the sensations of gratitude for manifesting these dreams. You begin to overflow with appreciation and gratitude. You must dedicate time every single day to do something that takes you closer to gaining what you seek. Only you can do this. No one else can be dedicated for you. Manifestation starts with you. The next step for manifestation is trust. This is the easiest part because you simply let go, surrender, and trust. You completely let go of thinking too hard about the things you have to do to bring it all together, and have confidence that the things always fall into place perfectly. You must know with certainty that your goal is attainable, so have faith. Take a few moments now to really trust in your desires becoming a reality. Notice how you are feeling right now. Say to yourself, I know I can achieve my dreams and aspirations. I deeply believe in myself. I see clearly how my dreams and aspirations are attained. I have a great desire to manifest my desires and aspirations. I put in daily dedication that is required of me. I always believe in myself. I trust the loving energy of the universe. Just sit in this beautiful feeling of abundance. Remember to honor your breath every single day by taking a moment to fully breathe in and out several times. When you breathe deeply, you automatically relax, and being relaxed is the first step in being in control of your life and emotions. Take these 3 words and remember them throughout your day. Desire, dedication, trust. Desire, dedication, trust. Repeat them to yourself whenever you can. When you're ready now, begin to bring yourself back into the room, moving your body, fingers and toes, and in your own time, open your eyes.